Okay guys, here is our kitchen to size and scale. I have will send you all these elevation view drawings. Elevation view drawings meaning this, but I just wanted to walk through this one last time with you. So starting with the fridge, model number is shown. That built-in fridge, there's a lip on it. So when it slides in, about 1/4 inch of that fridge will overhang on these fridge legs here. The cooktop will drop in here, 36-inch cooktop. That hood you chose will slip just underneath here. All the upper cabinets are 13 inches deep, these 4 cabinets. And this will be a stain grade piece here that wraps around. That's 5 inches tall, but that is stain grade. The perimeter walls are all white, with the exception of that wood band, and then the island is stain grade. The double oven fits in this space here. Under cabinet lighting, cove crown molding across the top on all of this, and the island. Elevation view looking at this. This is the side facing the double ovens. The microwave that'll slide in here, drawer underneath, and then this cabinet is the triangle cabinet here. So just like you have now, all those shelves will be triangular shaped. The dishwasher to the right of the sink, and the island facing the fridge, that wing, triangular shaped cabinet. This is the trash pull out. This would be the tray divider for cookie sheets right here, a drawer above it, and it is going to take some work, but I think we can pull off doing the paper towel. Typically when we do that, this is a drawer that pulls out and you can reload another roll of paper towels, but our limitation here, this is the cabinet for the paper towel. The sink, the edge of the sink will end right about here. So we're going to have to cut into the side of that sink cabinet. So the solution I've come up with is just to build a melamine box that will slide into the cabinet, and the front or the frame for the paper towel will be mounted to that melamine box that slips into this cabinet. So when it's time to put more paper towels in there, if you guys want to do this, you would just pull out that insert and set it on the countertop and put a new roll in and slip it back in, because we don't have, from the front of the cabinet to the sink, we're pretty limited. It's 8 or 9 inches, and you cannot get a drawer guide that shallow to pull that off. So this would be a white box with an open top and the frame attached to it that you would slide into that cabinet. Because when we cut into the side of this cabinet for the sink, there's no way to do a real nice clean cut with that, but it would be covered up with that box that we slide in there. If that makes any sense, what I'm referring to here. I'll hide this so we can see a little better. So this would be the frame and just an opening for that paper towel. But you can see some of the limitations with that. But I think we can pull it off. So, and there's just a finished corner here, a filler piece to make that 45-degree corner. But this is what we've got. This is to size and scale. One last look at it. Let me know what you think. I will send everything to you, and if it looks good, we will put it on the schedule and get moving on it. And these are shaker panels, the 1.5-inch mitered panel that will come to the floor to give it a little bit more custom look. Shaker panel on the back of these wings, and then this would just be a slab panel, because you're never going to see that anyways with the bar stools being there as it is. Okay guys, thank you.